2018 Lexus NX Hybrid. The 2018 Lexus NX Hybrid leads the pack when it comes to fuel economy, and it is backed by a history of excellent crash test and reliability ratings. However, mediocre performance and a distracting infotainment system earned the NX Hybrid a position on the lower end of our rankings. Is the Lexus NX Hybrid a good SUV? Evaluating the Lexus NX Hybrid is like riding a seesaw, full of ups and downs. At its best, this SUV has a solid reputation for reliability and safety, backed by several years of above-average scores, though not all assessments of the 2018 model are in yet. A generous amount of legroom and an attractive set of standard features makes the cabin a pleasant place for a drive. On the downside is an underpowered engine, run-of-the-mill handling, and a taxing infotainment controller. Should I buy the Lexus NX Hybrid? If you're in search of a hybrid compact SUV with an elegant interior, the Lexus NX Hybrid will put the sparkle in your eye. Its top-of-the-class MPG rating is accompanied by a good reliability reputation and the level of luxury you'd expect from the Lexus. Despite its familial ties, however, the NX 300 hours doesn't perform at the same level as some of its stablemates. It lacks the oomph and agility of the turbocharged NX 300, the gas-only NX, and it doesn't offer the silky handling of the Lexus RX. Outside of the Lexus nameplate, the Audi Q5, Mercedes-Benz GLC, and BMW X3 also present a nice balance between performance and opulence. We did the research for you, 27 reviews analyzed. Our goal is to make shopping for your next car as easy as possible. You'll find everything you need to know in our comprehensive Lexus NX Hybrid review. It combines concrete data, like fuel economy estimates, horsepower specs, and cargo space dimensions, with the findings of 27 professional reviews. The NX Hybrid was launched for the 2015 model year alongside the non-hybrid NX, reviewed separately. Our review includes applicable data and reviews from the 2015 through 2018 model years to highlight the few changes made since. Why you can trust us. The Best Cars team, a division of US News & World Report, has been reviewing cars, trucks, and SUVs since 2007. With more than 75 years of combined automotive experience, our editors, writers, and analysts rank a wide variety of new and used cars and issue 3 annual awards: Best Cars for the Money, Best Cars for Families, and Best Vehicle Brands. To keep our recommendations unbiased, we decline expensive gifts from car makers, and a third party handles our advertising. How much does the Lexus NX Hybrid cost? The NX 300 hours, the NX Hybrid's only trim level, has a starting price of $38,335. That's a few $1,000s higher than the non-hybrid NX 300's MSRP of $35,985, but it's still below the average price of a luxury compact SUV.